Hey friends, today I'm installing the Defiant security light. This is a motion sensor. It's plastic, it's outdoor. Let's try to get this in there real quick. So I turn off the power, make sure that's off. And I started out by drilling holes in these 4 parts here. Just makes it a little easier. You want to get your foam pad there pressed on there like that. I'm just going to attach our wires here. Let's go white on white. Also prep this by smoothing out the wires and twist them together. Right, now we can attach our black wire as well. Let's get that on there. So we didn't have a ground though, which is a little odd, but that's okay, I guess. I want these wires tucked down as flat as possible. Wires here, if we could tuck them up underneath, get those flat too if we can, in the middle there. So when you install this light, this area goes down. Get all the wires tucked in there. So that's about where we want it right there. Now just take your screw, and I had to get some different screws than the one that came with this because they didn't fit. They were supposedly for the outlet, but my outlet's different than they had, so. I'm drilling these into the wood next to the outlet. And I'm just going to drill it in most of the way there. Let's see what we got here hanging out. So these screws are going in next to the between the mount and the siding there, so try to get this one straight. Get our other 2 in. One more to go. There we have it. Now we can run a bead of caulking around there if we want to. I'm gonna have to unloosen or loosen those up a little bit. Where's my screwdriver? Okay, these are adjusted with just a Phillips head screwdriver, so I'm going to put it right about there, so you can tighten it back up. Same thing with this. I'm going to aim that one to the side there more. And there we have it. All installed and ready to go. So thanks for watching this install, my friends. We'll see you next time.